Good morning, everyone. You may not realize it, but just one wrong breakfast can trigger a chain reaction that affects your health throughout the day. Blood vessels can clog, blood pressure can skyrocket, and before you know it, you might find yourself facing a stroke. It's something that can happen quickly and often without warning. Breakfast is a foundation of your health for the day, and what you eat can either nourish you or set you up for health issues down the road. Over the years, I've met countless people aged 50, 60, even 70, who thought they were eating healthy breakfasts, only to end up in an emergency room with serious health problems like strokes, diabetes, or heart failure. They didn't realize that some of the most common and familiar breakfast dishes could silently be doing harm to their liver, heart, blood vessels, and memory. Today, I want to help you make better choices for your breakfast. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's talk about 5 common breakfasts that seniors should avoid and 5 healthy alternatives you should be eating every day. 5 breakfasts to avoid. 1. Intestine porridge. Intestine porridge, or chow long, is a popular dish in some cultures, often loved by older adults because it's easy to eat, soft, and flavorful. It seems harmless, right? But here's the thing. It's one of the most dangerous breakfast choices for your health. The problem lies in the animal organs, such as the heart, liver, and intestines, which are commonly used in this dish. These organs are packed with cholesterol and purines, which can lead to serious health issues. When cholesterol builds up in your blood vessels, it narrows the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. Over time, this can lead to arteriosclerosis, raising the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Moreover, purines in these organs can increase uric acid in the body, causing conditions like gout and joint pain. If you already have high blood pressure, liver disease, or diabetes, this dish is best avoided. For those who love this dish, it's okay to have it occasionally, but I would recommend only eating it once every 1 to 2 months, and choose a version without fried dough or blood pudding. 2. Rare beef pho. Beef pho, especially the rare beef version with lime and herbs, is a popular breakfast dish for many. It's warm, comforting, and often seen as a healthy choice. But here's the twist. While it might taste great, it's actually not ideal for your health, particularly if you have existing heart or stomach issues. The broth of pho is made by simmering bones, which can contain a lot of sodium and saturated fat. The rich broth, combined with the salty seasoning and fatty meat, can overwhelm your liver, kidneys, and heart. Eating this in the morning can cause your blood pressure to spike, and your heart has to work harder to pump blood through stiffened arteries. The saturated fats can also thicken your blood, increasing the chances of blood clots. Plus, for those with digestive issues, the strong herbs in rich broth can easily lead to acid reflux, bloating, or indigestion. If you enjoy pho, consider switching to a chicken pho with fewer fatty ingredients and more vegetables. It's a healthier choice that will still give you a satisfying meal without the risks. 3. Egg rolls with Vietnamese pork sausage. Egg rolls with Vietnamese pork sausage are tasty and convenient, but they're also a perfect example of a breakfast that combines unhealthy fats and refined carbs. This dish might seem harmless, but it's actually quite a heavy meal for the body, especially for seniors. The rice flour in the rolls is refined, which causes a rapid increase in blood sugar. The fried egg, with its runny yolk, is rich in cholesterol, and the Vietnamese pork sausage often contains pork fat, salt, and preservatives. All of these ingredients contribute to high blood fat, fatty liver, and increased risk of stroke or heart disease. Eating this dish regularly forces your liver to work overtime, which can lead to long-term liver damage. If you really love this dish, it's okay to enjoy it occasionally, but I suggest removing the pork sausage, cutting back on the seasoning, and adding more fresh vegetables to balance it out. 4. Fried leftover rice with crispy fried eggs. Many people, especially those who are busy, tend to use leftover rice and fry it with eggs to save time in the morning. However, this breakfast is surprisingly unhealthy, particularly if it's cooked at high temperatures. When the rice is fried at high heat, especially when it's dry and hard, harmful acrylamide toxins are produced. Acrylamide is a substance that can increase the risk of liver and stomach cancer. The crispy fried eggs can also produce free radicals, which damage nerve cells and accelerate brain degeneration. Not to mention, improperly stored leftover rice can harbor bacteria, leading to stomach problems like diarrhea and bloating. For seniors, this can be especially dangerous. I highly recommend avoiding this breakfast, particularly if you have any liver, stomach, or heart conditions. If you're short on time, consider opting for something lighter, like a smoothie or whole grain toast with avocado. 5. White bread with sweetened condensed milk. This might be a classic quick breakfast for many, but it's also a trap of sugar and refined starch. White bread, made from refined flour, is low in fiber, which means it causes your blood sugar to spike rapidly after eating. On top of that, sweetened condensed milk is packed with sugar, which forces your pancreas to produce more insulin. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, high blood sugar, and an increased risk of fatty liver, heart disease, and even diabetes. Not only will this breakfast cause a spike in energy followed by a crash, but will also leave you feeling fatigued and sluggish. I suggest replacing white bread with whole grain bread or rye bread, and pairing it with boiled eggs, vegetables, or unsweetened plant-based butter. 5 healthy breakfasts to eat every day. 1. Oatmeal with plant-based milk, chia seeds, and bananas. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest options you can choose for breakfast. It's full of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps reduce LDL cholesterol and protects your blood vessels. Adding plant-based milk like almond or walnut milk provides healthy fats and vitamin E, which nourishes nerve cells and helps prevent aging. Adding chia seeds boosts the omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Lastly, bananas provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevents muscle cramps. This breakfast is quick to prepare, delicious, and gives you energy without putting stress on your digestive system. I recommend eating this at least 3 to 4 times a week for better health. 2. Boiled sweet potatoes, boiled eggs, and boiled vegetables. This simple and affordable breakfast is rich in fiber, vitamin A, and potassium, which help stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. Adding a boiled egg provides protein without the cholesterol overload, and pairing it with boiled vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or okra add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting healthy blood vessels and liver function. This is an excellent option for anyone looking to stay healthy and nourished. 3. Pumpkin porridge with lotus seeds. Pumpkin is packed with beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes and immune system. When combined with lotus seeds, a food known for its calming properties, this dish helps reduce stress and improve sleep quality. This is a great option for seniors who are prone to insomnia or anxiety, as it's also gentle on the digestive system and won't put any stress on the liver or kidneys. 4. Morina soup with lean meat and brown rice. Morina is a superfood rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help detoxify the liver, reduce inflammation, and support overall digestive health. Pairing it with lean meat provides healthy protein without the unhealthy fats, and brown rice adds fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar. This is a perfect breakfast for seniors with high blood pressure, fatty liver, diabetes, or chronic constipation. 5. Steamed fish with rice noodles and green vegetables. Steamed fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Pairing it with whole grain rice noodles and fresh vegetables ensures a high-fiber, vitamin-packed meal that supports long-lasting energy. This is the perfect option for anyone looking to start their day with a light yet nutritious breakfast. Conclusion: a healthy breakfast is the key to starting your day right and setting the tone for long-term health. By making better choices, you can protect your liver, heart, brain, and overall health. I hope this video has helped you make more informed decisions about what to eat for breakfast. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones so we can all live healthier, longer lives together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.